in my life.
Pare! Sobrang cheesy nyo, ah!
Kung feeling cheesy mga pare, my new Greenwich Extreme Cheese Pizzas for Men. New Philly Cheesesteak Overload with 2 times more cheese and half-pound of roast beef. New Monster Cheese and Pepperoni Overload. Meaty for the boys. Cheesy pizza natin to mga pare.
I love watching them learn. And as a mom, natututo rin ako. Gaya ng causes ng fever at pagbigay ng tamang treatment. Kaya sa lagnat, I follow my PD's advice. Calpol. Nothing works faster than the medicine in Calpol. 15 minutes lang, tumatalab na. Kaya I've used it ever since. Para sa anak ko, there's nothing better. Calpol, it's my choice.
Powerade lets me play my game my way. Powerade, sport is what you make it.
Nakapili na ako, pati na rin ng ibang girls. Pinili ko to sa mahal na hot oil treatment. Ang smooth ng hair ko, parang ginastusan. Kaya ang pinili ko, Rejoice Anti-Freeze, na pinarami pa ang hot oil essence. Less na ang buwaghag ng hair ko. Rejoice ang para sa akin.
At sa amin din!
9 out of 10 women agree that Rejoice reduces frizz like expensive hot oil treatments. Rejoice Anti-Frizz, hot oil smoothness for only 4 pesos.
Ate, nagmimil ka pa? Big ka na ah. Kaya nga I'm tall.
Kasi I give them the best care. Nido fortified with a high level of calcium plus protein and zinc. Tulong pampatangkad.
Look, oh. I'll be tall then.
Like ate.
Mama!
Oh, is that for me?
Yes!
Thank you.
Mom, you're number 1.
See the difference with Nido fortified from Nestle.
May mga bagay na dapat sangdosena ang bilang. Tulad ng Hansel Crackers, 12 pieces bawat pack. Sangdosenang sarap, kaya sulit na snack. Hansel Crackers, sangdosenang sarap.
Swish starts your day. Swish to talk. Swish to shout. Swish after you eat. If you use your mouth all out, swish your mouth with new Swish mouthwash. It's alcohol-free, but with a kick of mint. An awesome swishing experience that leaves you with long-lasting fresh breath. Lamig sa bibig. Swish to sing, swish to whisper, swish to kiss, switch to swish. Don't be the last to swish.
Ang Pioneer Elastosil, matibay. Sa tuyong man o basa, kumakapit. Ay,
Elastosil, kumakapit sa tuyo o basa.
People think I'm tall dahil daw sa tindig ko.
Malaking tulong ang tibay ng buto sa tindig ni Bianca.
I take Caltrate Plus.
More than calcium, Caltrate Plus has vitamin D and minerals for strong bones.
Magandang tindig, matangkad ang dating.
Caltrate Plus.
Ito ang bagong Ang sarap ng iced tea at fruit flavor sa bagong Tang Fruit Teas in strawberry,
Lemon!
apple,
Orange!
and peach. Ibang klaseng flavors, ibang klaseng trip.
Hey, the taste of corned beef just got really sexy. Check out new Century Corn Tuna. Century quality tuna na may seasoned and smoked flavor ng corned beef. It's Century Tuna. Kaya it's super packed with omega-3 DHA that's good for both mind and body. Sarap ng corned beef. Made healthy by Century. Century Corn Tuna.
Ano ang niloloob ng isang inuman? Magpapaastig ba? Magjajaming bang banda? Ano man ang kwento ng bawat samahan, ang iniinom natin, isang Miguel Beer.
Say goodbye to pimples.
Because the power of Pond's Acne Expert and Antibacterial Facial Wash are now in new Pond's Clear Solutions Antibacterial Facial Scrub. Unlike ordinary soap, it has salicylic acid and soft beads that help deeply clean pores to prevent pimples. New Pond's Clear Solutions Antibacterial Facial Scrub.
Nanghihina? Minsan, for blood circulation yan. Hindi nakakarating ang oxygen at ibang nutrients sa katawan. Circulan helps. It helps improve blood circulation to reinvigorate your system. Circulan, nasa dugo lang yan. Taken daily and with
Helps me live longer.
Mami, Daddy, Lolo at Kuya, halika na kayo. Ito ang aking bagong produktong Max O-Wax. It constructs all kinds of metals like nuts and bolts.
Buti na lang nag-Canesten, kaya walang ikahihiya.
Sweldo po ngayon. Nagtabi ba kayo ng pang-aginaldo? Mga kapamilya, 71 araw na lang. Pasko na. Susunod na po ang I Survive. At nagdaan na naman po ang isang araw ng pagbabalita. Isang araw na bahagi na ng kasaysayan.
Sa ngalan ng bayan, sa ilalim ng nag-iisa nating
Pinagkakatiwalaan ng mas maraming Pilipino, ABS-CBN News and Current Affairs. Panig sa katotohanan, panig sa bayan.